Hey everyone, how are you? Let's talk about getting you paid what you're worth. We're diving deep into the skills that unlock those high-paying jobs. You know, the ones that make your friends say, "Whoa, you make how much?" First things first, this isn't about getting rich quick. This is about putting in the work, mastering valuable skills, and reaping the rewards. It's about investing in yourself so you can live life on your own terms. Think about it. What are you naturally drawn to? What are you good at? Maybe you're a tech whiz who loves coding, or maybe you're a people person who can sell ice to an Eskimo. Whatever your strengths, there's a high-paying career path out there for you. I'm talking about skills that are in high demand, skills that companies are willing to pay top dollar for. We're talking about skills that can change your life. So, are you ready to level up? Let's get into it. All right, let's break down some in-demand skills. First up, we've got the tech world. Software development, data science, cybersecurity, these fields are booming. Companies are desperate for talented individuals who can code, analyze data, and keep their systems safe. Next, let's talk about marketing. In today's digital age, businesses need to stand out online. That's where you come in. Master digital marketing, SEO, and social media marketing. And you'll be a hot commodity. Don't forget about communication and leadership. These soft skills are more important than ever. Being able to clearly communicate your ideas, inspire others, and lead a team are invaluable assets in any industry. And here's the thing, these are just a few examples. The job market is constantly evolving. New technologies are emerging all the time. The key is to be adaptable, to be a lifelong learner. Now I know what you're thinking. How do I actually acquire these skills? Well, you gotta put in the work, my friends. There are no shortcuts to success. Do. Embrace online learning. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy offer incredible courses on everything from coding to marketing. Seek out mentors. Find someone in your desired field who can guide you. Build a portfolio. Don't just talk the talk, walk the walk. Create projects that showcase your skills. Don't be afraid to fail. Failure is part of the process. Learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. Don't be afraid to network. Get out there and meet people in your industry. You never know what doors might open. Don't underestimate the power of hustle. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Section 4. The real deal. Challenges and considerations. Look, it's not always going to be easy. You're going to face challenges. You're going to want to give up. But trust me, the rewards are worth it. One challenge you might face is competition. There are a lot of talented people out there, but don't let that discourage you. Let it fuel you to work harder and be better. Another consideration is the time commitment. Acquiring new skills takes time and effort. You might have to sacrifice some free time in the short term, but remember, you're investing in your future. And finally, don't expect overnight success. It takes time to develop your skills and build a successful career. Be patient, be persistent, and never give up on your dreams. Now, I'm going to leave you with a little cliffhanger. I have one more crucial tip, a secret weapon, if you will, that can significantly increase your earning potential. But you'll have to wait for the end to hear it. Your high-paying future awaits. The skills you acquire today will determine your earning potential tomorrow. Focus on in-demand skills, keep learning, and work hard. Real-life examples show the power of these skills. From tech wizards to marketing gurus, the possibilities are endless. Tune in to my next video on leadership to find out more. Get clear on your goals, take action, and incredible things will happen. Now go out there and make it happen.